as pain, plastered on a porridge page with the intent of being in depth with an index. You wish to force me to get me. Am I a silhouette? Set a mask in a mist, a mask in a mist, or won't be missed, you miss me, call me, maybe? Am I a good wish to a bad star? Falling forever into an eternity of damnation here and forevermore where true love is nevermore. You still have a flicker of faith in true love. Am I a vision of undoubted origins? Imagining images of a decrepit hope, knowing the beginnings of these innings who knows where to begin. Remember the ones who came. Before we cross the lines to come across our finish line, or we finished this time. Then we need to start. If we did, why don't we start with the places we place down? Far removed from the presence of God, heaven should be a place like what you lose space in various places that are worthless, even at face value. So my question to you is, you know the worth. So I'm trying really hard. I'm trying really hard to figure out my purpose. They say practice makes perfect, but I'm imperfect. So what you propose to prove my lost purpose, I don't even see me this for life. I mean, how can my love lost life determine your final fantasy future? Illustrated in an illusion. Am I an illusion to the flesh I have? An illusion to the eyes that dare to see your pretty face. See, fate would have it that from the beginning to the end, we should come together like magnets. Imagine this. In the push and the pull, from the positive and negative, despite the distance and the final distinction, opposites attract. Tell me why. Is there some